Hey folks, and welcome to week 4 of online AP Stats. A couple things I want to talk about this week. The first one is you just got done taking your Chapter 1 summative assessment. So let's talk about the retake process. If you qualify, what you're going to want to do is go into the Chapter 1 folder and scroll all the way down into the assessment folder that we have here. And it's going to mention the retake process. So for the retake process, I will allow you just to retake the multiple choice portion or the free response portion or the entire test. So you can pick and choose if you just want to do, again, multiple choice, just free response, or both. Now remember, for retakes, you can only earn up to 85% of the original test score. So if you scored higher than 85%, you don't retake because it makes no sense to. So first think about that. The second thing, do qualify for retakes. You cannot have any missing homework in Skyward for Chapter 1. If you have any missing homework, you do not qualify for a retake, so you forfeit that already. Now, step 2. For you guys, it varies depending on which test you're taking. So if you look here, if you want to retake the multiple choice, you would read these directions. Basically, what you need to do is you need to come in for the multiple choice, you need to get your exam, and you need to find the ones you got wrong, and you need to make corrections for those. And it talks about here how to go ahead and make those corrections. Okay, once you've made those corrections, you are going to upload that as your relearning. That relearning would go here for the multiple choice portion. Okay, now after that, you're going to be doing the retake during the WIN sessions. So this coming WIN is the only time you can retake. You would want to sign up for one of the WIN sessions and come and do your retake during WIN for the multiple choice. Now, if it's free response you want to retake, if you read the process here, what you need to do on this one is you need to come on in and you're going to, get your chapter test. Bring your Chapter 1 packet with you. When you look at the front page of the Chapter 1 packet, you're going to see the learning objectives. What your goal is to do is this. Go through your test and you're going to look at the ones you got wrong. You're going to decide what learning objective topic is that for the problem you got wrong. Let's say it was 1.1D. If it was 1.1D, then I want you to do the practice problems in your packet for number 19 and 27 as you're relearning. You go through and find all the learning objectives, again, that you missed out on. If you need help trying to identify what learning objective it was specifically, I'm more than happy to help you do that. That is your relearning. Okay. Now that relearning needs to be uploaded here for the free response. Again, if you're retaking, you're going to sign up for one of the upcoming WIN sessions to do the retake. If you are doing both portions, multiple choice and free response, I think one WIN session should be sufficient because we have 2 sessions this coming week, so they're 45 minutes each. So based on that one, that would be the process for the retake. Now, clearly you guys might have some questions on your test. So when you're getting the test from me, that might be some time to ask me about it. Now, because I'm kind of hard to find, definitely reach out to me if I'm not in the classroom for you to get your tests. When you come in to do the relearning, the test cannot leave my room. So you need to stay here. You need to do the relearning exercises in the classroom and give the test back to me before you leave. Again, let me know if you have any questions on that. Next thing, let's talk about this upcoming week and what we have on the schedule. You're going to be starting Chapter 2 on modeling distributions of data. This is a shorter chapter. There are only 2 sections, 2.1 and 2.2, so it does go fairly fast. If you take a look at it, you actually have an upcoming test in about 2 weeks. So if we go here on the calendar, this first week, there are no deadlines. So no deadlines for you this week, but stay on pace because you will have your first deadline for Chapter 2 on that following Monday. So you have a deadline on Monday the 2nd at 8 a.m. in the morning, and then you actually have your summative assessment scheduled for Thursday the 5th. Again, I will lock you into a WIN session so you can take that assessment. I guess the only deadline we do have this coming week is if you do plan to retake. This is the only time you can retake is on this day during a WIN session. Okay. Third thing I want to talk about is updates and getting notifications. Some people had asked me, hey, when you do these updates, how do I know that they're out there? Where do I find those update videos? Well, if you didn't read or listen to the video the first week of school, you missed it, and you should have, because again, it's your responsibility in an online course. Just go here over to notifications, and what I would do is actually sign up for all three of these. The course update post, then you'll get an email. Then you don't have to check the site every single day. If I comment on your assignment, you guys, if you do not get full points on an upload, I will comment and tell you what's going on. Please subscribe to these. This is really part of your learning process. And then any comments on my posts, if I add some extra stuff to it, would be good to have. So I would highly recommend that you sign up to notifications. The other thing is, this is not a brick and mortar course. This is an online course. It is your responsibility to check your email every day. It should not take you long, but if I email you, it is expected that you email me back. That's our way of kind of conversing without seeing each other in person. So please make sure you're kind of getting used to that model of checking the emails and seeing what's going on. Let me know if you have any questions again about the retake process for Chapter 1 or any materials related to Chapter 2. So have a great week, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.